Hi everyone, this is Judy from Judy's Handmade Creation, and today I'm showing you how I use the loop and thread yarn wounder. And it's easy to use and it's perfect for making center pull skeins of yarn. Hand operated. It's a removable table. It's got a removable table clamp. And that's about how it looks. I'm going to open it up and take it out and put it on the table. This here is where you got your handle to turn, and that moves back and forth. Okay, put it right about there. And this is your clamp that you clamp down on the table. It goes here in this little slot. Right there, right in here. So you put that in there, and you screw it on the table. You should just where it won't move. Okay, and you get directions with it, how to use the yarn wounder. I got this at Michael's. I put it in a yarn haul, and it tells you how to use it. I got it because I needed to make skeins of yarn like this for my center pulled skeins of yarns for my knit machine. And you secure it to the table or the countertop. Find the end of your yarn. It says on the directions, here's the end of the yarn. This is the yarn I'm wounding up. Find the end of the yarn, and I'm going to run it through here. Then I'm going to attach it to these slits here on this part here. It's got one here, and then wait, let me do it like that. Just gonna put it through the slits. I usually go around the back part of it like this. I'll make it a little short. I'll run it through here. And then it says, I hold it right here. And then I just turn the yarn. See, that's the end of the yarn. So that'll be the center pull part of it. And just slowly turn it. Slowly turn your yarn, your handle, so your yarn can get wounded up. And I'll hold it right here so it don't be too loose, so it'll wound up really good. And just keep rounding. And see how it starts to make your skein of yarn. And I just hold it right there so it won't make it too loose. And you make them make your cakes as big as you can. And just keep rounding, and it starts to begin to look like that. Now just hold the end of the yarn right here. And that's about how it looks when it gets to a cake of yarn. Just keep rounding it. And this makes pretty big ones, pretty big size. And I just keep rounding and rounding and rounding. And it'll let you know when you got too much. I think I got a little hook here. That might be all that I can wound on there. I think and I think that's about it. I just cut it off. And then you just get this end here off of there. That's the center. Keep the center from the, you know what the center part is. And this here is the outer edge of it. This is the outer edge. You can tell that that's this here. I think some of it got a little, didn't wound up as good, but it's because I wasn't watching what I was doing. But this is a good, it wounds the yard really good. So yeah, it's a really good yarn wounder. So yeah, this works pretty good, so I like it. And this is the outer edge. And I usually just tuck the outer on the outer side, so I know that's the outside. And this is the inner pull, the inside of the pull of it, when you want to use it for your knit machine or when you're doing your yarn, when you're doing your crocheting or whatever. And it makes pretty nice cakes. And that's right there. That's one of the cakes. I don't know if you can see it because this is black. But that's what it done. And this is the center pull right here. So I'm going to put it and stick it out on the... And there it goes right there. And it does pretty good. You just got to watch so, you know, some of these don't wound. You got to hold the yarn like I did. And it works pretty good. So that's one of the cakes. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye-bye. If you haven't subscribed, do so. More projects going to be coming soon.